Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to cut the music on CapCut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do, let's have a new project and let's have a picture to put the audios on, and then click add. Don't forget to remove the CapCut watermark by delete it. Click it to make it active mode and delete it. And after that, let's add the music by go into this feature, the audio feature, and please click a sounds. And after that, let's choose which music that we want to use. For me, I want to use this, and just click plus button here. And then as we can see here, the music is quite so long. It makes this video have like 1 minute more, 1 minute plus length. It's too long. Meanwhile, the video itself or the picture itself, it's only have a 3 seconds long. So let's cut the music so that the music will have the same length with this video by make this straight line here and stop or on the end of this clip. And after that, click the audio sections until it's in active mode, and then go into the split. And now we can split it, and then the active mode will be moved into the rest of the music that we didn't use anymore. Now we just need to click delete, and now the music is already cut off. So we just have 3 second length of the music. Let's have a test. Okay, so that's all the way how you cut the music. So if you find out this video is quite helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.